Welcome to the Justice Pro Network's Daily Deep Dive in 5, the podcast that amplifies stories of advocacy, impact, and justice. I'm Aisha.
And I'm Aiden. Today, we're diving into some of the latest headlines from the Justice Pro Network, covering everything from political rhetoric to critical updates in immigration law and economic insights.
Absolutely, Aiden. Kicking things off, we've been looking at Senator Tommy Tuberville's recent comments, where he suggested Democrats need to lawyer up against what he calls a scheme to transition America into a socialist communist state.
It certainly adds to the already heated political atmosphere, doesn't it? This narrative plays into ongoing criticisms of the FBI and allegations of political bias, particularly echoing frustrations from Senator Chuck Grassley regarding previous investigations.
Right. And it's not just about the rhetoric, it's the social impact. This kind of claim, often fueled by misinformation, can create deep divisions and hinder productive discussions on crucial issues like immigration reform and civil rights. It really highlights the vital role lawyers play in clarifying facts.
Exactly. While some politicians amplify these fears, it's important to remember that many advocating for policies aimed at uplifting the working class and minorities aren't pushing for socialism. Legal professionals are on the front lines, defending rights and ensuring fair representation amidst this chaos.
Moving from political tensions to a crucial area of legal practice, we're exploring withholding of removal in immigration law. This is a vital protection for individuals facing deportation.
It's essential for attorneys to really grasp the nuances of this. It's a form of relief for those who can prove they would face persecution if returned to their home country based on factors like race, religion, or nationality.
A common misconception is that withholding of removal is the same as asylum. It's not. It provides safety from immediate deportation, but doesn't create a pathway to permanent residency. Knowing these distinctions helps attorneys set realistic expectations for their clients.
And speaking of immigration, a significant development is the reopening of over 400,000 closed removal cases. This is a huge shift, offering potential opportunities for advocacy that previously seemed lost.
This is massive for immigration attorneys. Many of these cases involve individuals with compelling stories who were impacted by past policies. It's a chance to pursue justice for them, and the ripple effect on immigrant communities fostering hope and resilience is undeniable.
It also means attorneys need to be super informed about the legal nuances. Collaborating with local organizations to spread awareness is key. This could even be a sign of broader changes in immigration policy. So staying prepared for a potential influx of cases is vital.
Shifting gears now to the economy, the White House has recently declared the U.S. economy back on track. However, the reality of rising inflation presents a contrasting picture, with inflation at a 6-month high.
It's a tough pill for many Americans to swallow. 2/3 actually disapprove of the measures being taken to combat this financial strain. While some data points show positive trends, they often mask challenges like increased consumer prices and a slowdown in manufacturing.
Consumer sentiment has actually dipped, according to some reports, despite the administration's claims. Inflation has been on the rise for 3 consecutive months, directly impacting everyday Americans with escalating prices, especially for basic goods like food.
Looking ahead, 3 areas to watch are the impact of unimplemented tariffs, the Federal Reserve's response regarding interest rates, and overall consumer sentiment. It's crucial for legal professionals, especially civil rights and immigration attorneys, to understand these economic trends, as they can directly impact their clients and legal strategies.
Absolutely, Aiden. Staying informed allows attorneys to adapt their advocacy and ensure clients receive the best guidance in a fluctuating economic landscape.
That wraps up today's Daily Deep Dive in 5. We've covered a lot of ground, from political debates to critical legal shifts and economic realities.
Thanks for joining us. For more in-depth analysis and stories of advocacy, impact, and justice, be sure to visit justicepronetwork.com.
Until next time, I'm Aiden.
And I'm Aisha.